Birds and butterflies will like the cranberry viburnums that you plant. The fruit is showy and edible. It's used as a hedge or a specimen planting. It'll grow 8 to 10 foot high, 8 to 10 foot wide. It blooms from April to May with a white lace-capped flower. It likes full sun or partial shade, and it can take some wet soils, not a bog soil, but a wet, heavy clay soil will be fine for this plant. And you can pick them up at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313, just outside of Fountainville, PA. This is just one of many native plants that we will deliver and install in the Trenton, New Jersey areas. And we do have quite a few of them. We have them from small potted ones up to large field-grown stock. Our phone number is 215-651-8329. Highland Hill Farm is about 45 minutes from Trenton, New Jersey. We're near a town called Doylestown. And we are on Route 313 at 5275 West Swamp Road, Fountainville, PA, 18923.